I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to install the Sparta single hung 4100 series. I'm also going to show you the best practice of how to seal the window to the opening. To prevent damage to the screen, I'm going to remove it and save it for later. After dry fitting your window, apply sealant to the flange or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. The sealant has been applied. I can now set the window into the opening. Per the product approval, use the appropriate fasteners to fasten your window into the substrate. Use shims at every fastener location when needed. The shims are going to give the frame full support as well as help keep it in square, level, and plumb. As I'm anchoring my window to the opening, I need to open the sash. These black blocks at the top of the sash and the meeting rail need to be removed. They are shipping blocks only. As I continue anchoring my window to the opening, I'll check for square, level, and plumb, as well as opening and closing the sash to ensure smooth operation. To recap, I've now installed the window and showed you the best practice of how to seal it to the opening. In the next video, I'm going to show you the finishing touches on the single hung 4100 series.